Hello, hello, this is Cara. Welcome. If you are new here, we are in the middle of our 25 Days of Tags series. I've been doing 3 tags per video for the 25 Days of Tags, and you can grab the kit in my Etsy shop. And let's get started. So today we're going to do tags 13, 14, and 15, and it's a layered tag. I did remember, oh, this one didn't do very well. I did remember, sort of, to print on the back. So these have backing to them. This didn't turn out so well. I might have to do something there to kind of hide that. So we'll come back to that. Okay, so these little pockets are going to go on here like this. Let's go ahead and glue. Someone in a previous video in the comments asked why I use Fabri-Tac. You do not need to use Fabri-Tac. Whatever glue you want. You could even use double-sided tape for this kind of a thing. Yeah, it's really whatever you have on hand. I do like Fabri-Tac when the bottle is full and when it's flowing. When it gets to that goopy kind of stage, Fabri-Tac kind of drives me nutty. Alright, so we'll stick that on just like that. Cute. I think I'm going to use the Tim Holtz fabric in the plaid for a topper. Looks like I've done that before. So we'll take some of this, kind of a chunk. There we go. Let's try some fabric scissors. It might work better. Okay. And we can glue this on the top. So this week on the 4th, is that on Thursday? What is today? Today's Monday. Yeah, so on Thursday, I will have a video. Usually I do or try to do Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I am doing the collaboration that Tracy Fox is hosting, and my day is on the 4th. So hopefully you can check that out. Do we want Santa on this one? Maybe let's put Santa here. The jets are flying this morning. I'm hoping not too distracting, and we have a window open in the house. I'm hoping it's not overly distracting. They're very loud. We could have made this a layer tag, but I am not. Do I want this one up here? No, I think I want it down here. This one, let's put this tab on the side. Or these are also part of the kit. They're the small tag page. That looks cute. Let's do that. And maybe I put this one behind Santa. Like that. Okay. This one, if we wanted, could also be a layered tag, but I kind of like seeing that. So let's add a piece of holly to this tag. And I'm going to add the number 13. Just like that. And I think I like having the holly come off the edge. There we go. So we have those two. And how is this one going to look? Yeah, that'll look cute. We could put this one on this side. That'd be cute. From the mini, what is it called? Mini ephemera. That would be cute. we have these, and there's a page with different Christmas sentiments. What if we do something like this? And then I am going to trim this off. Like that. Okay. Pretty cute. Should I add something here? All right, I have this piece of red ribbon, and I'm just gonna do that so it kind of hides the fact that my printer went a little wacky. Okay. There is tag 13. Let me go get ready for the next one. Okay, tag 14 is another coin envelope. So we'll glue this together. I've already, did I ink? I don't think I inked, but I scored this one. Looks like I do need to ink. And you can put the flap on the inside or the outside. A little ink. I did do the backing sheet, remembered again. Okay. And then we have this that will slide in. Might trim a little bit off. And basically just trim it a little past the black line. Okay. And let's just check. Perfect. All right, we have some tickets. We have this cute boot. I think I'm going to put the boot right here in the front. I have a piece of old music sheet. So let's take a piece of this for the back. I love how there's even the writing on it. I'm trying not to rip all of that off. And then we can put the, I'm going to cover the writing. It's a bummer. A little ink. Maybe a boot like that. So you can still see it. And something like that with the 14. Or do we want it on this side? Yeah, you know what? Let's do it on this side. I was thinking junk journal, and you would want it this way, but it's a tag box, Cara. Let's do it this way. And then we'll glue this. And a 14. And then let's put these on here like that. Staple them just for fun. Ink. Glue these on like that. And then you can still journal on the back. That will slide in. And then we have a wax seal that could be our closure, or this flower. I'm going to go with the flower. Yeah, I think we tuck the wax seal underneath, and there we go. This needs a second more. But here is tag 14. All right, tag 15 is a window coin envelope. So I put the acetate in already and I glued it together. I don't know this ribbon, I don't know where I got this, but I used it in the Craft Showdown on Saturday, and I have some bits left over, and I think it'd be cute to go around the frame of this tag. So I'm just going to cut this apart. If you know the name of this, let me know. I don't know. It's like riveted, so it looks like a diamond. Here, I'm just going to go around the frame. Plus, I didn't cut this very well right here, so this will be a nice way to hide it. Oh, more jets. Okay. That right there. That looks pretty good. Cute. Let's do this piece, and this is going to go inside the tag. I'm just going to glue the girls with their umbrella. Just like that. And I think I'm going to put winter up on the top. And then this tag, if you didn't end up printing with the background page, you could use this as the background for the window. Or it could be a second journaling card. And then this will go in here. Oh, how cute is that? And then I'm going to take a little bit of this. And I'll put 15 in that little ink. Whoops, that was out, sorry. Let's glue this on. And then 15. Just like that. And then we can have these pieces for another tag. How cute! There is tag 15. Uh-oh, things are falling out. We have tag 13, tag 14, and tag 15. So cute. All right. Thursday, I'll be back with the Tracy Fox collaboration, and then we'll continue our tags next week. So this gives you a little bit of time to catch up and do some journaling and all that good stuff. As always, have a wonderfully crafty day. Bye-bye.